Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you the difference between the silent mode and the mute all sounds on this device. So let me show you how to enable the silence mode. For this, simply go to settings. So here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Tap on this one. So here you can see the option vibrate. Now the sound is enabled. If you select the option vibrate, then it will only disable the call sound. This is a silent mode. If you enable the mute all sound, simply go to settings and scroll down, tap on the option accessibility, tap on hearing enhancement. Here you can see the option mute all calls, all sounds, tap on this one. If you enable this option, here you can see it will turn off all sounds on your phone including calls, alerts and media. Okay, so this is a difference between the silent mode and the mute all sounds on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.